So if you're not quite ready to invest in a manual or hydraulic clicker press, we've got these mallet dies which work pretty well. So, get our leather, gauge it. We're working with about an 8.5 ounce, so pretty thick bridle leather. For coasters, we've got a square and a round. Start with a round. Get it in the corner, get a good yield. So get low on the hammer, more leverage, and about 3 or 4 heavy hits. Pops right out. We've also got 2 keyring dies. Get it nice and close. Make sure you're putting pressure down with your left hand on the die as well. Keeps it in place. So the keyring die, once it's punched out, click 2 holes. There you have it. So those are our mallet dies.